If you're needing to get some quick cleaning done, turn on this video. You'll have 15 minutes and you will be surprised with how much you can actually get accomplished in those 15 minutes. Get up, clean along with me, and let's go ahead and get some cleaning done around the house. I hope I give you tons of motivation, and let's go ahead and get started.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off.
As you can see, I definitely had a mess here in the kitchen. We had dropped my daughter off at preschool. They had oatmeal, the kiddos, and didn't have time to clean it up before we had left. So that's really what I'm cleaning up today, is just the mess from the morning. I love to do these morning resets so that way I can just have a nice tidied up house for playing and doing all the activities that we're going to do throughout the day. But I am starting out here in the dining room because we had all this oatmeal mess that needed to get cleaned up before my 1-year-old came around and made an even bigger mess. That's what we're going to go ahead and do. It was definitely a mess, but we got it done, and it felt so much better when it was done.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
Like I mentioned before, my daughter was in preschool right now at that time, and I had my son here, and I really like to spend a lot of one-on-one time with him since I don't really get to do that where Waverly is normally around in the house. So I was really trying to get this done quick so that way I could spend some one-on-one time with him, and he was so cute. He was just my little buddy following me around as I was cleaning up. You'll see here in just a second, he was coming down the stairs with me, and he just loves following and watching and being my little buddy doing stuff, and I absolutely love it. And it's so fun to watch back and just see how he just is following me around. It is the cutest thing. But we got the dining room clean. I needed to start some laundry, so I went ahead and went down the stairs, got that all started, and then we are going to move on into the kitchen here in just a minute, get the dishes done, unload the dishwasher, all of that fun stuff.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way thoughts be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with
We are just about halfway through with this 15-minute cleaning session. Have you got a lot done yet? And if you're sitting down, get up, see how much you can get done with the remaining time that we have left of cleaning. Seriously, even if it is just picking up a few blankets in the living room, or starting that load of laundry, or maybe starting folding some clothes, just little things, you'll be surprised how much you can get accomplished, and then from there we'll get motivation to continue other tasks that you have for yourself to accomplish. So we got that dishwasher loaded, cleaning the counters, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the sink out, and then that's going to do it for the kitchen. Besides, I need to take out the trash, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to move on into a different space. But it feels good to just have this kitchen reset, especially because I was going to be going over to my grandma's house. We had family in town, and I knew we weren't going to be here all day, so I knew it would be really nice to come home to a perfectly cleaned house as well. So it was a win-win for everyone in this house to just have this house nice and cleaned before we had left. both of the bedrooms nice and cleaned up, so that's another thing checked off the list. We're going to move on into the bathroom, get that straightened up from the morning, and I actually still was trying to finish some of my makeup, so I needed to add some lipstick, and then I needed to fix my eyelashes a little bit. I was basically running out of mascara at this point, and so I was trying to fix them the best I could without having my mascara. So that's why I was kind of fixing things up. You can see little Wacy, he's gonna climb up here and be my little buddy again. He loves to be up right here, and he sometimes will turn on the water, which adds chaos, but today we didn't have that happen, so that is good. Glad about that. But just a quick little refresh, picking things up, nothing crazy in here. And then we're going to move on into the living room, which there's where we'll be for the remaining of the video. We need to do some tidying up, and then we also need to get some laundry folded and put away because the laundry never ends.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat.
I am just finishing up this laundry by matching up all of the socks, and then we're going to start putting away all of the laundry. That is one of my most terrible, well, I guess worst tasks that I like doing is folding laundry, because I feel like it's constant and it is just never ending. But we gotta do it. We gotta have those clothes cleaned. So going ahead and getting it all put away now, and then that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you're able to get tons of motivation, and if you're cleaning along with me, I hope you're able to get a ton done. Let me know if you're able to get a ton done down in the comments. If you enjoy it, tons of cleaning motivation, mom life, decorating, home videos, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you here. Leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys all very soon in my very next one. Bye.
Different side of me, yeah, yeah.